Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka number 6. Know that these two Prakritis are the womb of all beings. So, I am the source and dissolution of the whole universe.
Chapter 7, Shloka 6. Ye datyonini bhutani sarvani tyubadharaya aham krishnasya jagatah prabhavav pralayastata.
Chapter 7, Shloka 6. The self has two natures, the higher nature and the lower nature. These together are the womb of the world of names and forms, and from where they emerge. How the self is the creator, sustainer, and the destroyer of the world is explained in this shloka. The two natures function in the embrace of each other. The higher cannot express its latent dynamism without the field provided by the lower. The lower, being inert, cannot become sentient unless the spirit makes it dynamic. Without the bulb, the light in the electricity cannot express itself, and without electric current flowing in it, the bulb cannot give light. Similarly, when spirit flows through the matter layers, it finds a field to express its latent potential. In this sense, Lord says that these two are the womb of all beings. Not only the plurality rises from this womb, but is sustained and dissolves in it. The higher, forgetting its own divine nature, identifies with the lower and seemingly suffers the delusions and destinies of the lower. Rediscovery of its own divine higher nature is the redemption of matter. A pot emerges from clay, is sustained by clay, and merges back into clay when broken. So the clay is the truth in all the pots. Likewise, the higher nature is the essential reality in all the objects of the sense organs, mind and intellect, which the lower procreates. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.